Childish Gambino. Childish Gambino. Kacey Musgraves. Kacey Musgraves. Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj. Kanye West. Travis Scott. Travis Scott. Paul Simon. 11th Ep. 1 November 20, 1976. 2 October 29, 1977. Maggie Rogers. November 3, 2018. Lil Wayne. Lil Wayne. Elamai. Elamai. Mumford and Sons. Mumford and Sons. Greta Van Fleet. Greta Van Fleet. Meek Mill. Meek Mill. Gary Clark Jr. Gary Clark Jr. Thomas Rhett. Thomas Rhett. Khalid. March 9, 2019. More Khalid. The best Khalid songs ever. Ranked the best songs for it. Khalid 2 of 55. The best new male artists. Tame Impala. March 30, 2019. More Tame Impala. The best Tame Impala albums. Ranked the best bands like Tame Impala 841 of 1728. The best rock bands of all time. Sara Bareilles. Sara Bareilles. Bangtan Boys BTS. Bangtan Boys BTS. Shawn Mendes. Shawn Mendes. Jonas Brothers. Jonas Brothers. DJ Khaled. DJ Khaled. Billie Eilish. Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift. Camila Cabello. Camila Cabello. Chance the Rapper. 3rd Ep. 1 December 12, 2015 to December 17, 2016. 3 October 26, 2019. Also post more Chance the Rapper best songs for it. Chance the Rapper the best Chance the Rapper songs. Rank. Coldplay. 6th Ep. 1 April 7, 2001 to May 21, 2005. Harry Styles. Harry Styles. King Princess. King Princess. DaBaby. DaBaby. Niall Horan. Niall Horan. Lizzo. Lizzo, Halsey, Luke Combs, David Byrne, The Weeknd, Miley Cyrus, Boyz II Men, Megan Thee Stallion, Justin Bieber, Jack White, The Strokes, Foo Fighters, Bruce Springsteen, Khalifa, Phoebe Bridgers, Nathaniel Rateliff.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.